It's a great day to be alive. I know the sun's still shining when I close my eyes. There's some hard times in the neighborhood, but why can't every day be just this good? It's been 15 years since I left home. I said good luck to every seed I sown. Gave it my best and then left it alone. I hope that they're doing alright. Now I look in the mirror and what do I see? A lone wolf there staring back at me. Long as the truth but harmless as can be. Lord, I guess I'm doing alright.